Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see notes in Canva when presenting. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to have your design ready in Canva. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can begin the presentation process by heading over to the top right corner of your Canva interface. Here, you'll find the Present button. Give it a click. With the Presentation Setup page open, the next essential step is to choose the Presenter View option. This tool is incredibly beneficial because it not only allows your audience to see the slides, but also gives you, the presenter, additional controls and options. Once you've selected the presenter view, click Present. As soon as you do this, your presentation will go live and you'll step into your role as the presenter. What's great about Presenter View in Canva is that it makes multitasking simpler. You can manage your slides on one screen and effortlessly keep track of your notes, which display on the right side. The notes on the right side are designed to be your secret weapon while presenting. They won't be visible to your audience, so you can jot down key points, reminders, or even entire scripts to guide your speaking seamlessly. And that's it. So that is how you can see notes in Canva when presenting. So that's all for this video. Thanks.